Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on the spiderbow metal die set I received from scrapdivadesigns. You can find this die set at scrapdivadesigns.com under new releases. You could get a 10% discount using Prismatic10. All the details are listed in the description box below. Let's get started. For this spider bow die set, I got a lot of inspiration from nature, and the top two spiders that you see up here are inspired by the peacock spiders, and the one down here is a pink tarantula, and this one is a mirror spider. And today's tutorial will be focused on the mirror spider, but the other ones you could just use Nuvo Drops or other glitter glue to design all the details on top of the bow to make patterns so it looks interesting. I'm gonna move this away. So I've already pre-cut the pieces out. What I'll be showing you is this mirror spider bow, and this one is the large size, and you can also get a small size. So the large size will be this piece here, and also this piece at the corner, and this piece over here for the top of the bow, and also the big spider up here, and also this long piece of strip. I backed it with 110-pound cardstock to make it sturdier, and I've glued some of the gems on top of here so we could save some time. And I can glue the other side. These are pink fresh gems. They call it glitter drops. Just press it on. The next thing is I printed out a smaller web, which is down here. You don't necessarily have to do it. I didn't do it for this purple one, but if you like more details and layers, you could print that out, and you can add it on like this. And I also have the spider. I'm just gonna place it here for now. And this bottom bow piece is cut from this corner piece here, and I like to pre-bend it a little bit against the edge of my table, so it'll when you make it into a bow, it's easier. And what I would do is I would glue it. Align the sides so that it aligns, like the curves align together, both top and bottom. Same with the other side. Just like that, and hold it in place until it sticks. And I put it on like that. So that would be this layer down here. You could also put it on top of the spider, but you won't be able to see the legs I like to show more legs, so I had it at the bottom of the spider. And the next piece is the top of the bow, and I've curved it a little bit. And now we have this piece of strip that wraps around all the pieces, so it makes everything stay in place. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place a dot of glue in the middle of here and try to, you don't have to be perfect, just try to make it into the middle like this, in the center, as much as you can, just like that. And now for the part of the mirroring, I think this is so cool. I haven't tried it before until now. I've had this for I think I might have had this for a few years already, this foil transfer sheets. I never got to use it until now, and I think it's pretty cool. I got it at Michael's craft store. So I take a piece of that here, I cut it out. The shiny side and the bottom side is not shiny. So, and I got this iCraft Deco Foil adhesive pen, and we're gonna decorate the top of the spider. And if you Google mirror spider, they look so amazing. I can't believe in real life we have something like this. It's just so beautiful. So you just can do any design you like. I'm gonna copy whatever the mirror spider kind of looks like. So just like this. It's really neat. Wait 30 seconds. And also I did a happy face here, so I'm gonna do the same thing with this part here too. And wait 30 seconds. I think this should be about 30 seconds. And you place a piece that covers your design on top like this, and you press down on it like this. And you can burnish it or like rub it with something, but I've tried it with a popsicle stick and it didn't really turn out that good. And but there was another instructions from somewhere to put it in your die cutting machine. So this is I'm gonna put it in my die cutting machine. Also this piece, you can cut a smaller piece out. It doesn't have to be this big. The shiny side goes upwards, and put this in the die cutting machine as well. I guess it's more uniform when you put it in the die cutting machine as to using something flat and just burnishing it. It provides an even pressure. This just came out of the machine. And now we're gonna slowly peel it off. I find the dark, it'll show better if you have a darker piece of paper. So now we're gonna slowly peel it off. Isn't this so neat? It's like shining, like holographic. Next is this one. Slowly. It's really interesting. and there's a mirror-like effect on the piece of paper. And now we're gonna bend this into a bow and glue it in place. Align the curves, these curves here. Also this side. And I try not to use really hard, thick paper because it just doesn't bend nicely and it'll just crease here. It'll just crease a lot. I used a test run one and it just really gave me a lot of problems. So yeah. And you don't want it to be a very thin piece of paper as well, just like medium sized. This came off, so let's put some more glue on. And try not to touch this foiling, because especially, and also don't run it again, this foil, in the machine, because it won't be as shiny. I tried it and it just didn't come out nice. So yeah. So now we're gonna put this slot, the top part, into this top slot, and then the bottom one we're gonna do the same thing, just like this. Bend it. And then we have this part here. And also put it in like this. And also this piece here. And then we're gonna glue this in place. There we have it, and you can adjust it too. Just don't make it too tight. You can adjust the bottom part here like this. There, it's really neat, like shining. And for the big spiders, I have 3 gems for the eyes on the head, and I don't know, I looked at the spider, it had 3 eyes, so I don't know, that's how nature is, so it's really amazing. So here we have it. Oh, need some more glue on this side. For the smaller ones, I just put 1. Yeah, it's up to you. Yeah, you don't have to, it's just whatever you prefer, whatever you like. And I added this 4x3 chain, silver chain, with a droplet and a spider. I got this spider from this, I bought this quite a while ago, Tim Holtz, and there was 4, so I used up all of them for all the spiders that you see here. So alternatively, you don't need to hang it. It looks kind of neat. You could also just add spiders around like this, or you can have a bail and stick your flat back resin onto the spale and then hang it on the chain like this too. That's another alternative. But yeah, let's try something different. So we're gonna just glue these on, ideally with a glue gun. This will work too. Just glue it like this, any way you like it. Oops. And also this one down here. Oh. This one. And here you have it. Spider bow set at scrapdivadesigns.com. Very pretty. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!